Hello viewers, Flipkart Freedom Sale and Amazon's Freedom Festival are running on. Few tablets have excellent price point, but there are some tablets which are selling at a very highest price point. In this video, I will mention the name of the tablets and their effective price. But before that, let me tell you something that I have ordered Oneplus Pad Lite, and tomorrow you can see the unboxing and first impression of Oneplus Pad Lite. The first tablet that you can buy is Samsung Galaxy Tab S9. It is selling at 58,999 rupees, and with SBI credit card the effective price will be 42,749 rupees, and yes, you can buy it right now from Amazon.in. Next, if you are planning to buy Redmi Pad Pro Wi-Fi variant, in that case in Amazon.in you can buy Redmi Pad Pro at around 16,499 rupees applying SBI credit card. Many people want to buy Xiaomi Pad 7. This is a great opportunity for all those people, because in Flipkart.com the price is showing 22,749 rupees, but if you buy it from Amazon.in, in that case you can buy Xiaomi Pad 7 128GB at 21,999 rupees. Similarly, if you are planning to buy iPad 11th generation, in that case I would request you not to buy this iPad right now. You should wait till Big Billion Day sale to get the best offers on iPad 11th generation. Same case with iPad 10th generation. The current pricing of 256GB of iPad 10th generation is very high, so you should wait till another sale. And I am using it on iPad OS 26, and I am getting very good results using it on iPad OS 26 public beta version. I am making a video on the best features of iPad OS 26 beta version, so if you want to watch that video you can subscribe the channel with notification bell on. Actually, many people are asking me about the price point of Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 FE and S10 FE Plus, but I would request you to wait till Big Billion Day sale to get the best offers on these two tablets. Next, if you want to buy Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE, in that case you are paying extra 2,000. The best price for this tablet is under 20,000 rupees. So these are the pricing of some of the tablets. I think you should wait for another sale to get the best discounts. Also, you can buy in this sale Tab S9, Redmi Pad Pro, Xiaomi Pad 7, Lenovo Tab M11 with pen, Samsung Galaxy Tab A9 Plus, Oneplus Pad Go. If you want to know the best price of any other tablet, feel free to ask me in the comment sections below. I will try to answer those questions to the best of my knowledge. If you ask any questions, you have to hit the like button, and after that you can ask your questions. I will try to answer those questions. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.